Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best commercial popcorn machine that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Nostalgia Popcorn Maker Machine. This traditional red vintage design popcorn cart comes with 13-inch wheels and a handle for easy portability. It even has the capability to convert into a tabletop unit. The 8-ounce stainless steel kettle is easily removable for refills or cleaning, and the glass is tempered for optimal safety. The kernel tray separates raw kernels from popped corn for ideal servings, and all the machine's accessories can be safely stored in the container below the popper. One happy customer reviewed, "The popcorn that comes with this is pre-packaged and pre-measured. Just heat the machine for 3 to 5 minutes, turn it off, pour the popcorn and oil into the canister, turn it back on, and voila." Moving on, at number 4, we have the Paragon Contempo Population 8-ounce Popcorn Machine. Made entirely from durable stainless steel with an aluminum kettle, this Paragon popcorn machine is easy to clean and designed to last. The 8-ounce kettle is able to produce over 18 servings of popcorn per hour, making this appliance just as good as larger volume kettles. Its aerated warming shelf with a built-in heating function keeps the popcorn warm while separating the unpopped kernels to avoid any nasty surprises. One happy customer explained that it's easy to wipe down between uses or do a full cleaning to get spotless. Warming deck keeps everything warm and fresh, and the non-stick kettle is easy to clean. At number 3, we have the Great Northern Popcorn Red Matinee Movie Theater Style 8-ounce Antique Popcorn Machine. The Great Northern Red Matinee Popcorn Machine has rave reviews on Amazon and is a firm customer favorite in the popcorn machine department. It has 3 switches, 2 for heating and 1 for stirring, an 8-ounce stainless steel kettle, a kernel separator, and weighs only 25 pounds, making it ideal for carrying to parties or events. It also comes with a popcorn scoop, a measuring spoon for oil, and a 3-year warranty. One of the thousands of enthusiastic reviews reads, "It's easy to set up, easy to use, and easy to clean." The directions are written right on the glass door as to proportions of oil and popcorn, order to turn switches on, etc. At number 2, we have the Midway Marvel Countertop Popcorn Machine. At 16 ounces, this is Great Northern's largest stainless steel kettle, able to pop a whopping 7 gallons of popcorn in every batch. Made of powder-coated stainless steel with tempered glass, this heavy-duty machine is made for high-volume output. Having 3 standard controls for heating, warming and mixing, along with a warming deck and an old-maid drawer for those annoying unpopped kernels, this maker has everything you want in a commercial popcorn machine. One shopper commented, "I work for a company that employs about 400 people, and when we hold an event, we love making fresh popcorn. With this machine, I popped enough for 400 people in 1 hour." And finally, at number 1, we have the Olde Midway Bar-Style Popcorn Machine. Olde Midway has crafted this popcorn machine with a 10-ounce stainless steel kettle and tempered glass for safety. The over 31-pound machine comes with stainless steel accessories including a popcorn scoop, tablespoon measure for oil, salt shaker, and a measuring cup. There are 3 switches, including a warmer, heater, and stirrer to ensure crisp and warm popcorn every time. The kernel tray catches unpopped kernels, guaranteeing that customers receive a perfect, kernel-free serving. "This machine is fabulous," raved one buyer. "We use it every week. It's so easy to use and clean." Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.